Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today we're going to create an adorable strawberry patch, and there is a part 1 to this video where we actually put the strawberries together, so make sure you go hop and watch that. The link is in the comments. We are actually taking craft sticks and we are going to be creating a palette. You can create a palette yourself or you can actually get one at Dollar Tree. I'm just figuring out what size I want my palette to be, and I'm just cutting my sticks to size, cutting the rounded edges off and gluing it all together. I am using a couple different glues to keep it together. One of them is Sticky Fast, which is one of my favorite glues. It's kind of like super glue, and then some hot glue. I did decide to use a foam block, and we're putting that in the middle, so I'm just cutting it to size, and then I am gluing the sides of my palette onto the block. You can see for the feet that I'm just using some half wooden beads just to bring it up off of the table just a little bit. Now, to give the palette some color, we are going to stain it with a baby wipe and just regular acrylic paint. And then you're going to see me dry brush some white over the top. This is really where the piece starts coming together. I had some moss that I am simply hot gluing on top of the foam block that we put in. Here I am using my signature technique and just distressing the edges with a little bit of pink. I thought it was really a fun color and it was going to match it perfectly. Now, our little strawberry patch needed some signs, so I just took some of the craft sticks and cut them down to size. I put the word strawberries on one, 25 cents on one, and then we actually did one that said "you pick." You can see here that I did the same distressing technique on the side of our signs. We are also taking a little dowel rod that we are adhering to the back of 2 of the signs that we're going to stick in our foam, and then we're putting the "you pick" on the front. You can do this however you want. I just kept adding pieces to this because it was just really, really cute. I love these strawberries. I did put 2 of them onto the front and put the rest nestled in. I have one leaning up against our sign. You guys, these are absolutely adorable, and I'm so happy with how they turned out, and I hope you decide to make one as well. If you enjoyed this DIY and like all things home creative, please visit theruffleddaisy.org and follow me on all the social media channels. Thank you so much for watching.